guys. Good job, Michaela. It's done. And then you can put your pencils back in the box. And then second column is red, so oh, this wasn't an actually we don't have elements. Oops, that's okay.
Oh.
That's okay. Starting with this is number 1. Outside, okay. That's okay.
So starting with
Yep. Yep. No fluorine. Yep. Yep. That's the halogen. All right. Oh, we're already at past a minute, but we'll do 30 more seconds. Because we're only we're at 10. All right, pencils down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We can finish later if we have time, but pencils down, please. All right. So, Tuesday we talked about elements, and today we're going to compare elements and another term called compounds. So before we get to that, can you guys turn to the second page of your guided notes? After the homework, where the guided notes start. That's your homework for tonight on the periodic table.
So we turned to elements.
Oh, guided notes. Yep, right there, guided notes for July 5th. So we're just turning to our guided notes for July 5th. All right. And Jordan, can you please read me the first bullet?
That's on the
All right, I need everyone's attention. We're going to do it one more time. Can I have eyeballs up here? All right, go ahead, Jordan.
The periodic table of elements displays the 118 chemical elements organized based on their properties.
Right, the periodic table of elements. That is what you guys just colored in. On 3, we're going to say periodic table of elements. 1, 2, 3.
Periodic table of elements.
Great. So you guys can fill in the guided notes that first blank. Periodic table of elements. Do you need a pen?
No, mine's fine.
Okay, got it. All right. Next thing. So yesterday we talked about the difference metals and Tuesday, metals and nonmetals. Do you guys remember we talked about the example of the common frying pan? And Michaela, what do you remember about the frying pan that made it a metal? Or that had properties of metal?
It has a conductor, heat, it was shiny.
Yeah, definitely. When you touch a frying pan, what happens, Helen? You burn yourself. It's a conductor of heat. And just like other metals, it has the same properties. It conducts heat and electricity. So today we're going to learn about other categories on the periodic table. We talked about metals, nonmetals, but there's also a category called a metalloid. Tanisha, can you please read me the second bullet?
A metalloid is a chemical element with properties that are in between or a mixture of those elements.
Metals and nonmetals. So we have metals, we have nonmetals, and we have metalloids, which is in between. The next slide we'll see a better picture, but can someone read me the last bullet? Go ahead, Helen.
As the periodic table moves from left to right, it goes from metals to nonmetals.
Right. So on this side, Tanisha, is this metals or nonmetals on the left side? Metals. And Michaela on the right side? Non-metals. Great. All right. So this is a little bit of a better picture. You can see in blue are all the metals. In pink are the metalloids, and in yellow are, Gabby?
Nonmetals.
Non-metals, great. And we see how hydrogen is a nonmetal. Remember, it's stuck up on there. It's a little bit of an oddball. But the way we can remember this is just how we organized our closets in the Do Now on Tuesday. And we sort different pieces of clothing. If shorts are the metals and skirts are the non-metals, then a skirt, it's in between a short. It has properties of both, right? It's part skirt, part short. That would be the metalloid in pink. The skirt would be the metalloids. They have properties in between that of metals and non-metals. Yes, McKinley?
Is it even on both sides?
Is it even? There's more metals than non-metals. Because all of these elements are all metals, and then there's only this many non-metals. And these are mainly gases, and these are mainly solid.
No, I mean like if it's just a periodic table, like no matter if it's gas, matter, would it be even?
Is it even in number, or?
Yeah, even
No, I don't think it's even in number. Because and also we have to remember they're always adding new elements, right? In labs, as we're speaking, scientists may be discovering new elements. So this is not a set table. In 15 years, it might look different.